Hello students, today in our topic introduction to IT security, we are going to see the components of information system. In the previous part we saw InfoSec, that is nothing but the information security. In this part, in today's lecture, we are going to see components of information system. So basically components are nothing but the parts, and we are going to study each and every part individually. Yes, so overall all this part together contributes to our information system. Now let us see one by one. The first part of the component of the information system is nothing but people. Okay, so as we know, people is nothing but our audience. Like, the people are the most essential part of the information system, because without them the system cannot be operated correctly. As we know, the system is nothing but it is a man-made system. Yes, and it is made by man, and the man is nothing but it contributes to people. So people in general, they are going to use the system. For whom the system is made? Obviously for the people. So the data, the information is all about the people, and we are going to store all together the data, that is nothing but the information of the people, into our information system. So the first part, the first component of the information system is nothing but the people. The next one is hardware. Now our information we are going to store. So where we are going to store, obviously we need a hardware to store our all the information, our all the data. Now what is hardware? Let us see. It is a part of physical component. Obviously it is a physical component of an information system which we can touch. The information system hardware includes the computer, processors, monitors, printer, keyboards, disk drives, iPads, flash drives. These are nothing but the examples of the hardware, and all these hardwares we are going to use in our information system to store our complete information, our data into the particular hardware system. The next one is software. Now, what is software? Let us see. It is a set of instruction. Definitely, as we know, the normal basic definition of the software, it is nothing but it is a set of instruction that tells the hardware what to do. As we know, hardware is simply just a machine. Machine cannot operate on its individual level. So machine needs some instructions, and those instructions are being provided by the software to its hardware. So software plays a very important role. Now it tells the hardware what to do. It can be used to organize, process and analyze data in the information system. So the basic purpose of the software in the component of our information system is to organize, process and analyze. So here we are going to organize our data, then we are going to process our data, and the last one is we are going to analyze our data, and we need our software. So with the help of that we can perform all these activities. The next one is data. Very important part. If there is no data, there is no meaning to anything. So now data. What is data? Let us see. Data is a collection of facts. As we know, data is nothing but the collection of facts and figures, or you can say numbers. All together we can call it as data. So here information system works with data. Obviously that this data can be aggregated, indexed and organized into tables and files. So we are storing our data into the tables and files in an organized way to form a database, and this database can become a powerful tool for every business information system. So all the organizations, the businesses, small or large scale, they use the database. They are using the database to store their information in an organized way. So now let us see the next component of the information security is network. Now let us see what is network. Now here, what is network? Network includes internet, intranet, extranet, to provide successful operations for all types of organizations and computer based information systems. So obviously we are sharing our files, our data, our information. Yes, so obviously we are going to need the help of internet. So here the internet, intranet and extranet plays very important role. The next one is procedures. Now let us see what you mean by procedures. Procedures, it specifies the policies. So there are some policies, yes, that govern the operation. So basically policies are here to control the operations. So the operation should be follow some particular way, the particular rules, and for that the rules means here the policies are established. So these policies are govern or they governing or controlling the operation of an information system, which is very needed. It describes how specific method of data are processed. So what is the role of policies? Policies is nothing but the rules. So with the help of those rules, and that rule specifies method of data that should be processed and analyzed to get the answers for which the information system is designed. And the last one is feedback. Very important point, feedback. Now here it is a component of an information system, obviously, which defines that information system may be provided with feedback. Very important thing, feedback. Feedback plays a very important role. You are using the information system and how that information system is helpful, in what possible ways and manners it is helpful. The feedback should be appropriate so that we can take the proper changes and can develop towards the proper goal. So here this is nothing but the components of information system.